Hello students. In our previous slides, we have discussed about the stack and the operations that are operated on stack. In today's slide, we will discuss about the arithmetic expression and Polish notation and their conversions or conversions. So let's start with what is arithmetic expression. Arithmetic expression is a syntactically correct combination of numbers, operands, operators, parentheses, and variables. So, the arithmetic expression results in a numeric value. Let's see one example of arithmetic expression. For example, here we can see that there is a simple example of arithmetic expression, that is a plus, and in between the parentheses there is b multiplied by c. So here the operands are a, b and c, whereas the operators are plus multiplication, and we have the parentheses. In the place of A, B and C, there can be numericals like 2, 3, 4 or floating point numbers. So when it is A, B and C, it is taken as variables, and when it is in form of numbers, it is taken as constant. Whereas every arithmetic expression results in a numeric value. The stack organization is very effective in evaluating arithmetic expression. Expressions are usually presented in what is known as infix notation. So, the general notation we used to see, in which there are two operands and in between it there is an operator, that form is basically known as the infix form or infix notation. So let's know more about the infix notation. Infix notation is the notation in which each operator is written between two operands. So in between there is a operator, and at the both sides there are two operands, that is a plus b, that we can say as the general form. With this notation, we must distinguish between two forms. So, this two forms can be expressed as either the a plus b term is in parentheses and the outside term is multiplied by c, or it can be written as a plus and b multiplied by c are in parentheses. This can be distinguished, or this can be differentiated by parentheses or some operator precedence conventions. Thus, the order of operator and operand in an arithmetic expression does not uniquely determine the order in which the operators are to be performed. So the use of parentheses actually changes the numeric value or the output value of the expression, where we can see here the value of the arithmetic expression 5 plus 1 multiplied by 6 can have two either values. If 5 plus 1 is in between the brackets, then the value would be 36, whereas if 1 multiplied by 6 are in between the brackets, then the value will be 11. So the expression is basically resulted according to the precedence priority of operators. So let's now know about the precedence priority of operators, and some associativity rule. So first let's discuss what is precedence priority of operators. So precedence priority of operators basically define that which operator will be given first importance or first precedence. When in an expression there is a occurrence of any operator, then in between many operators like multiplication, division, addition, power, and parenthesis, which operator is going to get the first preference. So here is the preference order in which the parenthesis comes at the very first order, that when in an expression there is a parenthesis, it will be given the first precedence. At the second position, there comes the power sign, that is exponential sign. At the third turn, it comes multiplication and division. Both multiplication and division comes after parenthesis and power sign. And at the last, it comes addition and subtraction. At the last position, we are going to attain addition and subtraction. The whole thing means that when we will see, or when we are going to solve any arithmetic expression, we need to follow the precedence priority of operators. First, whatever comes, but we need to solve the parenthesis first. At the second, we will be solving the power. At the third, we will be solving either multiplication or division, and at the fourth position we will be solving the addition and subtraction. Okay, it is okay about the parenthesis and power, but when it comes to multiplication and division, or at the fourth position addition and subtraction, we need to know that which operator is to be attended first, or which operator is to be given precedence first. So here comes the associativity rule. The associativity rules says that when we are solving one expression, when there is an multiplication or a division sign, we need to move from left to right of the expression, and which operator comes first, that will be solved first. We will be clearing it in our coming examples, same as in the case of addition and subtraction. According to associativity rule, when we are seeing any uh, arithmetic expression and we come across addition and subtraction, then we need to move from left to right. Which operator, either addition or subtraction, comes first, that will be solved first. Whereas in the power sign or exponential sign, we need to move from right to left of the expression. According to associativity rule, from moving from right to left, which power sign is coming first will be solved or given precedence first. So this is how we declare the precedence priority of operators and associativity rule in any arithmetic expression. Let's discuss some examples so that we will be more clear about the precedence priority and the associativity rule. So here comes the first expression, that is 5 plus 1 multiplied by 6. So we already know, we according to the precedence priority, the multiplication will be solved first. So it is solved as 6, that is 5 plus 6. Now the addition will be solved and we get 11. Whereas when it is 5 plus 1 multiplied by 6 and 5 plus 1 are between parentheses, so we already know we need to, according to precedence priority, we need to solve the brackets first or parentheses first, so that we get 6 multiplied by 6 and we get the output as 36. Here is another arithmetic expression which says 1 plus 2 multiplied by 5 plus 30 divided by 5. Okay, so here there is no parenthesis, so the first preference is going to the multiplication and division. Okay, so we, as they are of same precedence priority, multiplication and division are of same precedence priority, what we need to do, we need to check the associativity rule. According to associativity rule, we need to move from left to right of the expression, and which operator comes first will be solved first. Moving from left to right, we can see 2 multiplied by 5 comes first. So here it is solved first, and at the second position 30 divided by 5 is solved at the next position. Next, when it comes that there are 2 plus operators, so we need to, according to associativity rule, both two operators are of same precedence priority, so we need to move from left to right. So we are solving 1 plus 10 first, then 11 plus 6 at the next position. Here at the fourth example, we have power sign, that is 2 power 2 power 3. Okay, so according to associativity rule, we need to move from right to left of the expression. Moving from right to left, we need to solve 2 power 3 first. Okay, so at the next uh, position, we need to solve 2 power 8 and we get the result 256. This is how we will be solving the associativity, we will be solving the arithmetic expression according to precedence priority and associativity rule. In our next slide, we will be discussing about the Polish notation and their conversions. This much for this slide. Thank you.